everyone, and welcome back to the channel, guys. We have it strapped to the dyno. I kind of left you guys in limbo in the last video with the to be continued again, but we are here at the dyno. This is actually the same day we got it running. We got the preliminary data logs done and everything's looking good. So now we've got it on the dyno and we got it strapped down and we're getting ready to go. I'm going to change that exhaust. As soon as I get it to the shop this week, we're going to be modifying that and moving it in, getting that taken care of. And we're going to, this right here is temporary, so if you see it today, I just got it wired up temporarily because I could not find a circuit add fuse deal. So luckily Xander found one for me and brought it to me. Everywhere I went in Jackson I could not find one, so he got it, but I got it temporarily in there so it will work, so we can do everything. We can adjust the boost today. All right guys, so we are about to do our first dyno pull. It's our initial dyno pull, and then Rob will take a look at it and then we will adjust as we need to. This right here, I'll start the log for you, that way you ain't gotta worry about it. So I think 2500 to 6500. He only wants to go to 6500. All right guys, so we're only going to 6500. Don't expect no massive horsepower numbers. We're just filling it out. He's looking at the tune. Do what?
You want 1-to-1 gear or you want 6 gear?
6 gear. Rob said 6.
Okay.
This is 315 gears. 1-to-1, you'll be stupid mile per hour on here. Okay. Yeah. Okay guys, so this is just, let's see what it does. It's doing its thing, This is a Dyno jet dyno. Didn't rev out, only the 65 watt.
5.4 pounds.
5.4.
.551.
551 and 480 torque. That's on 5-inch pounds. We gotta look at that and make sure we're good.
That's not bad for 5 pounds, bro.
Yeah, but we gotta figure out, we should be at 7. So it's something we gotta look at. Alright guys, now we're going to take it to 7500. We changed some stuff in the boost controller settings. Still on Wastegate, so we're going to see what it does. What was that? Alright guys, so we're gonna jump in here and we're gonna watch the boost controller. Talk to a couple people. One, the actual fabricator of the kit, and he said that what we're experiencing is pretty normal, that wastegate springs can vary and other things can vary, but the data log looked good. It was actually adding timing. So now we're gonna see exactly what it puts down. We upped it to up the duty cycle. That was on 5.5 pounds of boost. We did 560 horsepower on 5.5 pounds of boost with 18 degrees of timing. And it was adding 2.5 degrees of timing. It was loving it. Shell 93, no additive.
Yeah.
We blow something off? Alright guys, so what happened that run? We hit 9.8 pounds and we blew that off. So now we're gonna fix it and then we're gonna go again. Alright guys, so I'll catch you in a minute. So that time we actually put down 686 horsepower at 6,700 RPM before we blew the coupler off. So that's a little over 9 pounds of boost we were at, 686. So we were gonna make 700 horsepower that time. So 750 and I'm good, I promise you, on 93.
No. Yeah, 900 on 93. Do it. Come on, do it. Please.
All right, guys, so we're gonna make another hit. .664 at 570. So we're going to send the log to Rob. So guys, that last run we did 674, 578 torque, 9 pounds of boost, 93 octane only, no fuel additive. So not too shabby. E85, gotta happen. All right guys, so we're getting ready to up the boost a little bit. This might be the final push. Like I said, 750, that's all I need on 93. Don't need nothing more than that. We're not trying to break records for 93 octane. Sorry, we're just not. So we're gonna see, as long as the car is happy, that's all I care about right now. All right, so we turned it up, per instructions from Rob, and we're gonna see what happens, guys. Hopefully everything goes good. What'd it do? How much boost was that?
13.2.
Nuh-uh.
13.2.
Shouldn't have, we didn't need that much boost. That was a little more boost than what we wanted. Guys, that was 13.2 pounds. We didn't intend to go 13.2 pounds. However,
look at that.
746 at 624 torque. So 746, 624 torque at 6,400 RPM. They let out early. So it wasn't 7,700 rev out like Rob wanted, but it was a little hiccup, so they want to see what's going on. So we're going to let them look at the log. We're going to send Rob the log, and we're going to see exactly what it was doing. But that was 13.2 pounds, a little over my comfort zone for 93. Xander, no. You don't want to run 13 on E85. That's 93.
I know.
So we're going to back it. We're going to pull it back down.
Let it look at the log.
Yeah, but we're going to pull. We don't want to run.
That's a pretty good number. So.
Yeah, but okay. So if you look at this, if we turn the boost down a little bit and they're able to rev it out, it'll probably be the same.
Yes, that is correct.
And it's safer.
It is safer.
And that's the guys.
Yeah.
I do not want to be popping an engine. Number one, I love this car too much. I'm enjoying it too much. So, all right, guys. So we did not really intend to hit 13 pounds, but however, we made 746 SAE on 93 octane. Remember I said 700, 750, but however, we want to do it cleanly. So we dropped the boost down, and we're trying to dial it in right now. That way, when I run down a drag strip on the max boost on 93, I know the settings to go to, and everything's happy. And then, of course, we can do wastegate up to that at any given time also, which is why I love turbo. Here we go, guys. 11.4. All right, guys, we're going to SAE. Okay, 726 SAE and 11.3 pounds of boost. We made 726 at 11.3 pounds of boost. Remember, we only made 740 with 13 pounds of boost. So it did break up a little bit at the big end, so we're going to figure that out and see what's going on and get that addressed. As you guys can see, the wizard is here.
Daryl. Ken reminder, cut.
He's not even tuning my car and he's helping. That's dedication, guys. I don't care what you say. Go check him out.
I'm a tire guy, what can I say?
Winger Performance. Go check him out, guys. And he's about to be tuning a car I'm going to be working on this weekend. Stay tuned for future videos. I think you're going to like that. A little different power adder. 19 GT for a customer. So he will be tuning it. So stay tuned. Alright, guys, so we regapped the spark plugs. So we're going to make another hit. We're thinking it's spark blowout, the way the plugs look. We're thinking that's the case. Now we're going to run that same run at 11.5 pounds, and we're going to see what we make, run it all the way out to 7,700, and then we're going to bring it up till we find the ceiling, and then we're done. All right, Daryl is getting in. He is logging with his computer for Rob, so you're having a lot of fun today, huh, guys? All right, so here we go, guys. Same exact boost that we made to 720. Regat the spark plugs, hoping that was spark blowout we were experiencing. It really sounded like it. So we're going to see, guys. Here we go. So we made 732 that time, 617 torque.
It's 11.8.
11.8?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, guys, so we're going back to wastegate pressure and doing a run just to see what it does. .6, 5.8, that's about right. You know, wastegate springs can differ more and more.
565, what did it do in the beginning?
565 horsepower, five, I believe around, close to the same, I can't remember, I have to watch the beginning of the video myself. So at 7 pounds, we're making. So at 7 pounds, we're making 612 horsepower, 526 torque. So we're gonna let Rob look at this, see what he says. All right, so Rob and Jeff suggested to drop my exhaust. And okay, this is the exact same run we did last time. So we're still only like 7-inch pounds of boost. All right, guys. So the bottom, the red, is the run that we made before we dropped the exhaust. The blue is the run that we just made. This right here is about 70 horsepower difference. I haven't had chance to get to the muffler shop since I've had this done. This right here on the pipe will pop out. I have to get the muffler shop to put 3-inch out to about right here so I can slide it in and it'd be a full 3-inch right here. That bottleneck is hurting. So back pressure is a real thing. We're not sure if we're gonna get rid of it when we turn off the boost up top, but we was trying to get rid of those dips. 70 horsepower in that dip, but 612 to 638 horsepower. So, but now we're gonna turn it up and see if we have a problem on the big end turned up. So I'm gonna get this log sent to Rob, let him look at it, and then we'll go from there. All right, so this is 80% duty cycle. So we're gonna see if we have any problems in the higher RPM breaking up like we did earlier. This should be about 11, 12 pounds of boost. That thing's loud.
13.1.
Huh?
13.1.
13? We didn't mean to go to 13.
Yeah, 13.1.
764 horsepower.
Look at the
639. 639.
Impressive. 639.
So we're gonna drop that down a little bit. So 700, might as well say 700 horsepower. So we made everything from 760 something to yeah. All right, guys. So if you're in the area, hit up Precision Dyno and Performance here in Dover, Tennessee. It has a dyno jet. Great group of guys up here. Anyway, guys, I'm tired. I want to get home, and we'll see you guys next time.
Any words that I misspeak, cut that shit out of this video. Nope. Please. Cut it out.
No. This is live, baby.
They're stout too. What are you doing?
I'm getting a spark plug. I need one. They're trying to make me a cue card, guys. Precision turbo. Precision.